Snapchat just locked all 4 of your creator accounts at sign up. Same emulator, same IP, same IMEI under the hood. Snapchat is the only major social platform that bans on creation. No warm-up, no appeal. Gone. The app fingerprints the device at the OS level, hardware ID, sensor data, location data, Bluetooth state. The account binds to the device IMEI from registration. Emulator stacks, anti-detect browsers, VPN-only setups, none of them work. The only thing that survives is a real device per account. 3 things ahead. Why Snapchat is uniquely strict. The 6 detection layers and why every common workaround fails. And the CloudPhone workflow that holds for agencies running 5 to 20 creator accounts. OS, main body. Why Snapchat is uniquely hard. 3 things make Snapchat tougher than other platforms. 1, the platform is mobile only by design. You cannot run Snapchat from a desktop browser anti-detect setup. There is no equivalent. The official app is the only entry point. 1. 2, the app fingerprints the device at a deep level. Hardware ID, OS version, sensor data, location data, Bluetooth state. Emulators are detected at sign-up and accounts get banned within 24 hours. 3, the account binds to the device IMEI from registration. Logging into a second Snapchat account on the same device flags both. The platform does not pretend to support multi-accounting on a single device. Oh, that last one is the kicker. Even legitimate users who buy a new phone face a friction step when they migrate. So the idea of swapping accounts on one device that triggers the strongest cluster signal Snapchat has. The 6 detection layers. Also, 6 things Snapchat checks. Device hardware ID and IMEI, the strongest binding. Emulator fingerprinting, BlueStacks, Nox player, MEow, all detected at sign-up. Carrier and IP, mobile looks normal. Data center and VPN flagged. Behavioral patterns, snap rate, story patterns, friend graph development, friend graph signals, mutual friend patterns or accounts that follow each other in suspicious ways cluster. And phone number verification, VIP increasingly rejected. Real mobile carrier, SIMs pass cleanly. The IMEI binding is the brutal one. Factory reset does not fully reset device identity. Some hardware identifiers persist across resets, so the just wipe the phone and start over approach that works elsewhere does not work here. MoVIC, why every workaround fails. Emulators detected at sign-up, accounts banned within hours. VPN only, data center ASN with no device hardware change, phone verified out at sign-up and often banned. Switching accounts on one phone, the deepest cluster pattern, Snapchat tracks IMEI and rejects multiple accounts. Factory reset between accounts does not fully reset device identity. Multiple physical phones, works but expensive at scale. 5 phones means 5 SIMs, 5 chargers, 5 physical management overhead. Cloud phones work because each is a separate physical Samsung handset with its own IMEI, its own SIM, its own carrier IP. Snapchat sees each cloud phone as a different real user. Snapchat 1 cloud phone per account, the only workflow that survives. 1 Samsung handset per account. Cloud phones make this practical at scale. Real mobile carrier SIM, not VoIP, not data center. Realistic friend graph development, behavioral patterns that look like real users. For agencies managing 5 to 20 Snapchat creator accounts, the setup is 1 cloud phone per account, all accessible through 1 dashboard. The cluster risk is structurally eliminated. Snapchat sees a fleet of independent Singapore Samsung users with different IMEIs, different Singtel or StarHub SIMs, different behavioral patterns. The creator side has to be a real person with real content. Snapchat's audience doesn't care about device infrastructure as long as the content is real. No 6-step setup. Install the official Snapchat Android app from Google Play. Register with a real email. Verify the phone number using the cloud phone's actual SIM. Complete the profile. No step 3. Build a realistic friend graph. A brand new account with 0 friends, no Bitmoji, no story posts looks like a throwaway. Spend 1 to 2 weeks adding real friends, customizing your Bitmoji, posting occasional stories. 1 to 3 snaps or stories per day per account in the first few weeks. Burst posting is the textbook spam pattern. Panstas. Step 5. Avoid coordinated patterns across accounts. Never have multiple accounts add each other as friends. Never post the same content from multiple accounts at the same time. Never have multiple accounts in the same Bitmoji locked location simultaneously. Step 6. Realistic behavior over time. Natural usage, organic engagement, real friend interactions. Snapchat's behavioral model rewards real user patterns and penalizes anything scripted. Creator and agency patterns. For talent management or agency creator services, each creator gets their own permanently assigned cloud phone, their own real name profile in Bitmoji, their own friend graph and audience, their own content from their own device. The cloud phone provides operational scalability. The creator side has to be a real person with real content. Snapchat's audience does not care about how you manage the device infrastructure as long as the content is real. If you've been bouncing off Snapchat sign up with emulators or VPNs, cloudf.one is the simplest fix. Real Samsung handsets in Singapore, real Singtel, StarHub or M1 SIMs, fresh IMEIs, 1 phone per account, free trial on cloudf.one, no card. Use code YT30 for 30% off the first paid month. Confirm the Snapchat sign up works on a real handset before scaling the fleet. Update. Next video covers multi-Pinterest for e-commerce sellers, the silent throttle that's eating your reach. Subscribe.